guys, Gilly Hunt here, and I'm just carrying on with my little set of videos on tying knots and bows to make pretty cards. So we're on to flat knots today. This one here, which is a flat knot, but I thought I'd just remind you that we've just done knobbly knots. So if you want a nice knobbly knot, then you need to go back to my previous video and have a look how to tie those. And just so that you can see those in a little bit of a close-up, here we go. These are knots where we purposefully make the centre scrunch up and stick up, and they're particularly good for sheer bows like this one, or for little tiny ribbons like this one. Oops, let me get into the middle for you, sorry about that, taking you on a journey. So these create this lovely little knobbly middle which stands out and sticks up. But sometimes you don't want that knobbly knot, so let's get rid of that. You want a nice, neat, flat centre to your knot or your bow. So I'll leave that there to remind us that these are going to be flat knots. So today I'm going to show you how to make a flat knot. Okay, isn't that beautiful paper? I did tell you before, but this is the Feels Like Frost Designer Series paper. Isn't it a beautiful combination with the Itty Bitty Christmas stamp set? Very simple. Right, the first thing you need to know is if you are making knots, so this is for knots, not for bows, this is if you're making a knot, then the rule of thumb is roughly 3 times the width of whatever card it is you're covering. So here's the width of the card, so that's 1, 2, 3. Now if you cut it that length, that will be about the right amount of ribbon to tie your knot. Now if you're doing a bow, you need 4 times the amount, so don't get confused. Here we go. Ooh, somewhere I've got it, I can't pick it up. For knots it's 3 times, and for bows it's 4 times the length of your whatever it is that you're trying to wrap this around. So here we go. Let's get it tied and show you how to do it, how to make that lovely flat centre. So here we go. Here is our amount 3 times, and we're going to do it just the same way as we did a knobbly knot to start with. So we're going to go right over the top of left, and then we're going to go underneath. Okay. Then we're going to go left over the top of the right one. Okay, so that's come over the top of the right one. It's trying to do this without you getting my fingers in the way. And then we're going to come through this gap just the same way. We are, if we can get it to come through. Come on, through you go. We've got a jumpy. Okay, and then we're going to start to pull it tight. Now, I say start because I don't want to pull it fully. So I've only got this really loose. Now do you see this little piece at the back here? If I pull both of these, we will make that come forwards, and that's how we make our knobbly knot. But we want this to hide underneath the flat piece. So what we're going to do this time is we're going to hold on to the right hand side, but we're just going to pull with the left. And what happens is that little piece gets tucked in under the back. Now once it's gone and tucked away, now we can tighten the knot with both. And that's how we get this nice, lovely, flat piece at the front to make our flat knot. Now I can just cut the sides. Maybe I do them at an angle, maybe I do them straight. There we go. And there is our lovely knot. And then of course we cut it off our block where we've been making it. That's now ready to put onto the card and wrap around. Okay, and all that's done to create that flatness is by making sure you only pull with the left hand side of the bow. Thanks for watching, and next time we're going on to actual real bows. So we're going to look at how to do a bunny ears bow. So thank you very much for watching. See you again later. Bye.